Today we're out at the Fairwoods Constructed Wetlands project. This was a capital project that we completed back in 2012. Part of the reason for doing this project is to satisfy the federal and state permit requirements to treat stormwater runoff, and with the goal of removing nutrients, phosphorus, nitrogen, and sediment, and efforts to protect the Chesapeake Bay. The approach to designing and building a constructed wetland is to mimic the features that would occur in a natural wetland that had been created by Mother Nature.
As a landscape architect, we are very conscious of how the appearance of plants and how they fit with their surroundings. We're adjacent to, as you can hear, we're adjacent to Route 50, but we're also adjacent to a townhouse development. So we want to take our basin and marry it to the surrounding uses. We select plants that are both beautiful and also functional, plants that benefit wildlife but also are attractive to our surrounding neighbors.
The detention basin was designed to be what is called a peak shaver. With impervious surface from roadways, from homes, from parking lots, the water runs off much more quickly than it would if this was a natural forested condition. So the volume of water that reaches a particular point gets there very quickly, and it's released slowly over time. When we first met with the Fairwoods community, they were extremely supportive of the project because they understood and appreciated the environmental goals. In addition to benefiting the pollinators and the birds, there is aquatic wildlife that has moved into this area. Some of the migratory game birds. We've seen some extremely healthy, very large crayfish.
This pond has been successful because we have lots of wildlife here, we have very good coverage of native species, and we have a lot of regeneration of native species.
We're extremely proud of this project, the way it has developed and grown in. There are a lot of other detention basins throughout the county that will make it onto our capital projects list, and we're looking forward to getting to those and getting them constructed and installed.